Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we are going to learn how to download and install Visual Studio Code, which is going to be our text editor. We're also going to learn about how to install Net.js because we are going to use something called npm package manager. So to install Visual Studio Code, you just go to your browser and search for Visual Studio Code install. It's going to lead you to this website. Depending on the type of machine that you have, it's going to ask you to download as per the specification of your machine. I currently have a Mac, so I'm going to download a Mac. If you have a Windows machine, you'll be required to click on this icon. This might change from year to year. The year right now is 2023. This is how the website looks. They might decide to change the design and it's not specifically going to look the same as this. But the important part to notice is there will always be different versions or types of installers for different machines. In this case, you should be aware that the Windows type of installer is a .exe type of installer, and even if you are going to use a Windows installer, you should check if it's an x64 type of installer or x32 type of installer, and also the ARM64 type of installation. Okay, so you're going to directly download the installer, or you can have a zipped version as per this. If it's a MacBook, you can just click on this, choose whether it's an Intel chip or an Apple Silicon chip. These are two different types of MacBook that we have in the market as of today. Once that is installed, you can also go and install Node.js. Just click on that, nodejs.org. Once you search on the browser Node.js, then recommended, take the one that is recommended for most users because it's the stable version. I already have my Visual Studio Code installed, and this is how it looks once you finished installation. It's going to have a welcome screen like this. I'm just going to close that and go to the terminal. Then after that, I'm going to check if Node.js has been installed successfully. Then we just type node-v. If it's installed, it's going to give you a version number. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you install both the Visual Studio Code, which is a free application that we're going to use to pass through the whole of this tutorial series, and Node.js. See you in the next tutorial where we're going to learn about the extensions that we need to install on Node.js, on Visual Studio Code. See you then. Bye bye.